didn't know what to say to the people because I'd never really robbed a bank before. Yeah, I've done a lot of weird things, but robbing banks is not one of them. So I didn't want to scare anybody because there were women, kids, and old people in here. And I thought, well, how about if I walk in and say this thing I used to say when I was a kid? It's AA, booga booga tom tom. I used to say that to the Air Force cops on the radio, walkie-talkie, and it really pissed them off. You know what I'm saying? Of course you do. So I walks in the bank and I says, AA, booga booga tom tom. Well, there's one Indian guy over in the corner. He starts opening up this little leather pouch that's hanging off his belt and starts sprinkling this crap at me. I didn't know what the hell it was. So next thing you know, in walks this old fat woman, and she's carrying a bottle of Muscatel. And I said, what the hell's in that bottle, baby?